My name is Popela Samuel. I'm doing a presentation on environmental changes and sustainable solutions. Okay. Overview of my presentation talks about climate change impact in Ghana and global as a continent, and talk about air pollution and its environmental effects. And we can also talk about climate change myth and some protections, and then the possible solutions after and future actions after. This presentation explores major environmental challenges affecting both Ghana and the world. It examines climate change, air pollution, water, waste management, and climate misinformation, while discussing practical solutions that can help communities become more sustainable. And let's try to talk about climate change impact in Ghana. And then we look at the effects of climate change in Ghana. Some of the effects of the climate change in Ghana includes following: rising temperature across the country, increased flooding in Accra and coastal communities, irregular rainfall affecting agriculture, coastal erosion. Climate change has become a serious issue in Ghana. Flooding in Accra damages roads, homes, and businesses almost every year. The farmers also experience unpredictable rain patterns, making farming difficult and reducing harvest. Coastal erosion is destroying beaches and settlements areas in the sea, in the areas near the sea. Our side report talks about local and global climate solutions. And here we look at the measures to address climate change. Some of the local measures to address climate change in Ghana include tree planting, promotion of renewable energy, public education on climate awareness, improve drainage systems in urban areas. Let's talk about air pollution in Ghana. Major air pollution in Ghana includes vehicle emissions, burning of waste, dust from roads and construction. Alright. Of the carbon monoxide sources are fuel consumption, industrial activities, and generators and old vehicles. Air pollution is a major environmental problem in urban areas of Ghana. Particularly, matters consist of tiny particles that enters the lungs, bloodstream, and the bloodstream. Carbon monoxide is a dangerous gas produced from incomplete fuel combustion. We now look at the effect of air pollution. Let's start with the effect of air pollution. Some of the effects are reduce air quality, acid rain formation, damage to plant and environment ecosystem, and contribution to climate change. The air effects contribution to what? Climate change. Some of the health effects are asthma and respiratory diseases, heart problems, eye irritation, increased risk of lung diseases. Air pollution affects both human health and environment long-term exposure. Long-term exposure can cause serious illness, especially among children and older adults. Pollution also harms ecosystem and contributes to global warming. Class 7 talks about waste management and sustainability. Importance of waste management. First, it reduces environmental pollution, prevent diseases outbreak, conserve natural resources, support recycling, and reduce greenhouse gas emission. Then we talk about waste management in Ghana and the current situation and the challenges. What are the current practices that we do in Ghana by managing the waste? 1. Required by local authorities, private waste collection companies, community cleanup exercises. The challenges facing us are poor waste segregation, illegal dumping, inadequate recycling facilities, plastic waste in drainage and water bodies. Suggestions to improve this activity includes public education, more recycling centers, stronger environmental laws, incentives for waste separation. And slide 9 about climate change myths. Common climate change myths, and they are climate change has always changed. So currently, one is normal. And fact is, current one is coming much faster than natural climate cycle. I can talk about the